This stick broke. I bridged it back together, and then I took wire and I created the conduit that puts all the power to the deflector array, which is up here. And I thought that was a very good fix for what I did to this. Because when it fell 4 stories, 1, 2, 3, 4 stories from up there on the shelf down on Grievous, it did not do well. It broke. Who's in? Boss? Nice to see you, boss. Shout out to boss. Okay, there is the Avalon. Hey, everyone. I have a question for you. Is there anyone that would like to have a free backstage pass into the show? Backstage pass, everyone, is where you can come meet the crew that runs the show behind the scenes. You get to go to our green room on a Zoom meeting, and people get to see you, or, well, they get to hear you anyway. And yeah, it's a backstage pass. And if a bunch of people want to do that, we can put all the names on a wheel and spin it, and whoever wins gets to have a backstage pass if we get that many takers. It's absolutely free. Doesn't cost you a dime. So, I have been building with paper for 16 years. I've had a lot of jobs in my lifetime. I got bored stupid with them early on. The best job I ever had was working for myself. And even that came to an end, and now I'm working for myself again. This phone show. This has been just the most amazing journey. And the thing about it is, I've had a career now for 16 years doing something that I never, ever expected would be what it is.